Want an automated email marketing strategy that generates sales every single month? Now you can. Try this holiday promotion email strategy I'm about to break down. It's 5 easy steps. Let's jump into it. So step number 1 is to pick at least one holiday per month for the entire year in advance. Decide what those are. I actually wrote down a list here I'll go through. I'll also leave it in the description of this video, but let's just think about some of these ideas. So for January, you have New Year's and Martin Luther King Day. Those are pretty popular days that you can leverage for a promotion. February, you have Valentine's Day and President's Day. So pick one of those. For March, you have St. Patrick's Day and Mardi Gras. For April, you have Easter and April Fools. April Fools can be a fun one. For May, you have Mother's Day and Memorial Day. For June, you have Father's Day. For July, you have Independence Day. For August, you have Back to School, is a good promotion to generally run. For September, you have Labor Day. For October, you have Halloween. For November, you have Veterans Day, Black Friday, Thanksgiving, and Cyber Monday. You can go nuts in November. And for December, you have Christmas. And so think about, a holiday that makes sense for you. Now there's more holidays to leverage. You can just Google search holiday calendar and there's other opportunities. I just listed off the most popular ones. Here's the trick. Just think about at least one. If you pick one for each month of the year, that's 12 promotions you run throughout the course of the year that you can build campaigns around. Step 2, once you've determined at least one holiday for every month of the year, now it's time to come up with the content. So write those down and then think about what the promotion's gonna be for that month. Write some content to it and come up with the promotion. You can even create coupon codes in advance in your point of sale system or maybe your e-commerce store and make sure that they're active during the appropriate window. Build all of that out up front so that you don't have to think about it later. Just maybe put it in a spreadsheet, list off each month the holiday you want to promote, what the promotion is, and if there's a coupon code or something that you've generated for that, get all that organized up front. Step number 3 is to jump into your email marketing software and actually create the email templates. Now that you know the content and the holiday and those sorts of things, it's time to design the emails. So do this in advance. Go ahead and design all 12 emails up front, get them ready to go and actually scheduled in your email marketing software to send at the appropriate time. And think about the appropriate time. If it's a holiday, you don't want to necessarily send the email on the day of the holiday. You want to send it with some runway leading up to it. So what makes sense for your business? Is it a week in advance? Is it 2 weeks in advance? Is there a series of email reminders that you send leading up to the holiday? Think about that so that it's all ready to go up front in your email software. Also, if you're using a CRM, make sure you connect it to your email marketing list for these promotions so that everybody you're working with throughout the course of the year, whether it's a lead or a customer, is automatically added into your email list so that when that holiday rolls around, it sends to everybody automatically. You don't have to make a reminder to yourself to go every single month and update your list manually. It just all happens in an automated way with your email marketing software connected to your CRM. If you don't have that and you're looking for something like that, check out Marketing 360. It has that functionality. Step number 4 is to set reminders in your calendar to remind yourself of this promotion in advance, just to check it, make sure that it's actually ready to go, scheduled, and ready to send so that you don't forget. Also, it's a good reminder to alert your salespeople or the other folks in your organization that this promotion is coming up so it's not a surprise to them. The customer doesn't ask them for a deal that they are not aware exists. So make sure that you set these reminders up front so that you're prepared. And last step, step 5, just set a calendar reminder at the beginning of every year to make sure that the next year is updated for these promotions. The beauty of doing this type of a campaign is you can review the results over the previous year and make adjustments for the next year if needed to improve your performance. As you do this over the course of year after year, what you'll start to find is you'll know exactly how those campaigns perform. You'll know based on the size of the list in the email campaign how many sales you're going to actually receive, almost to a very small area, a margin of error. And so basically it becomes a mathematical certainty how many additional sales you're going to drive for your business based on the size of your list. And the beauty is, as you grow your business throughout time, you're going to have more and more people in this list because you're going to have more leads and more customers that you've worked with over the years. So your list grows and grows and grows, and therefore the amount of people receiving these promotions increases, and therefore your sales increases as well. It's a mathematical certainty. So make sure that you do that, optimize your campaigns year over year to see better results as you grow your business. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully these 5 steps are steps that you can put in place for your business and leverage holidays. The beauty of a holiday campaign is it works for any business. It can work for any organization. It just works for everybody because we all celebrate holidays. And maybe the holidays that you leverage are different than another business, but the concept still applies. You can have one promotion every single month of the whole year to generate more sales. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, and if there's power tips that you have for holiday promotion campaigns that I missed, please leave it in the comments, and happy marketing.